Hey guys, DragonBox2000 back with another video, and today we're doing a Nerf war starring me and co-starring Dad. Let's do it. Okay, we're ready, and we got it mounted. Nice and stable, moves with the gun. We're ready. Hey Milo, how you doing? Okay, good. So we're gonna be switching camera views so that you can see Dad and you don't have to just watch me and yeah. So we'll see you at the battle.
I got it on the first shot. I got it on the first shot.
Let's go. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Fully charged. Got him. Come on.
Help me.
Oh, he's eating the entire thing's in his freaking mouth.
Come on, let's go.
Joby.
Okay, got it fully charged. And that's another one. Got him. And that's another one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And until next time, goodbye.